What is going on, people, and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today, and we're going to talk about the resurrection of the BSA motorcycle. So I think it's no secret that I am into electric motorcycles. I am ready for electric motorcycles to come and take over my life. So as you can probably imagine, when I saw the news that BSA Motorcycles was coming back, backed by an Indian billionaire, I was reasonably excited. When I first read this, I didn't want to release a video right away because I wanted to make sure it was true, and it appears to be true. One of the more compelling reasons why I think this is probably true is because the UK has agreed to give a backing of £4.6 million to the Indian billionaire that has bought out 60% of BSA motorcycles. I think initially we're going to go into the history of BSA motorcycles and just give you a brief overview if you're not that familiar with BSA, because I wasn't that familiar with BSA until probably about 3 or 4 years ago. So it's nice to understand where they've come from and where they're going. So BSA, believe it or not, was one of the biggest manufacturers of motorcycles in the world. I think possibly the biggest motorcycle manufacturer in the world in the 70s. They shut down in 1972. The Germans bombed a lot of the factories in the war, they recovered from that, but finally they went into liquidation after merging with another company, and it didn't quite work out as planned. The BSA company is still a functioning company, but the BSA motorcycle aspect of it has not been functioning since 1972. Which is a shame, because a lot of these BSA motorcycles are really good looking bikes. There's a massive cult following of them, so BSA motorcycle owners love them. And I'm sure for quite a lot of people watching this video, you're seeing these snapshots of BSA motorcycles thinking, it's just another crappy classic motorbike. But trust me, there's more to them than that. So what can we expect to see from BSA moving into the future? It looks like the first protocol is to start manufacturing a motorcycle that is an internal combustion engine. I would imagine they're going to exploit that classic style look, and they're not just going to try and bring it into the future and give you a super bike. I would imagine that they are going to be going with the classic style motorcycle as what BSA is so much known for today. But it doesn't end there. The reason the government is backing this is because they want BSA to start manufacturing electric motorcycles. This Indian investor also would like to build electric motorcycles, and the good news is that they're trying to do them from Oxfordshire, which means it's going to create some jobs for the UK, so that people can stop crying about those darn foreigners stealing our jobs. And they expect to have the electric motorcycle production out of the door by the end of 2021. So not far away, almost a year until we're going to be getting an electric motorcycle from BSA. Now I personally believe that this is a little bit ambiguous, but best of luck to them, and I hope to see an electric motorcycle at some point in the near future. So who is this Indian that's bought out BSA? So it's not his first rodeo, he is a billionaire, he has the money to back it, and he does own quite a large vehicle manufacturing company that primarily manufactures tractors. Now you might think these are massively different, but the whole element of like a supply chain and a production line, they are going to be very similar. So that is a few things what smaller companies or smaller startup companies often slip up on, and that'll be negated by the fact that this man has done it time and time again. It appears that there's already a contract to get the supply of batteries from overseas, but the manufacture of the motorcycle is going to be held in Oxfordshire, creating 255 jobs for local employees. So it's an exciting time for the motorcycle industry and an exciting time for Britain. If you are interested in other motorcycle stuff, be sure to check out my channel. I've recently done an electric video on the motorcycle by Damon, which looks like a really big advancement in future technology with motorcycles. But for all things cars, motorcycles, vehicles and adventures, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.